Natural weight loss with herbs offers a holistic path to wellness. It supports fat loss by enhancing metabolism naturally. Herbal remedies can improve energy levels as part of a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize safety and education for effective herbal integration. Prioritize safety when considering herbal weight loss. Consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal regimen. Ensure the herbs are safe for your specific health conditions. Check for potential interactions with current medications. Personalized advice from a healthcare professional is crucial. Choose natural, whole herbs to maximize health benefits. Whole herbs retain more natural properties than processed forms. Processed pills or powders may carry potential risks. Whole herbs are generally safer for consumption. Alfalfa functions as a mild diuretic, promoting fluid balance. It assists in fat solubilization, potentially aiding in weight management. Alfalfa supports healthy blood vessels, contributing to cardiovascular wellness. Its detoxification properties enhance metabolic processes. Alfalfa helps reduce excess water weight, supporting overall well-being. Chickweed aids in breaking down fat molecules within the body. Its fat-dissolving properties are enhanced when combined with burdock root. This combination assists in the removal of unwanted fat from the system. Chickweed and burdock root work synergistically to purify the blood. The blood-purifying action helps eliminate toxins and waste products. This pairing is often used in natural weight loss programs. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound known to raise body temperature. This elevation in temperature boosts metabolic rate, enhancing calorie consumption. Capsaicin also stimulates fat-burning processes within the body. Additionally, it aids digestion and increases core body heat, contributing to overall calorie expenditure. Dandelion root supports liver cleansing and toxin removal. It enhances the body's fat metabolism capabilities. Liver detoxification is key for efficient fat processing. Improved metabolism aids energy, conversion, and weight loss. Fennel seed, when consumed in moderation, can provide an energy boost. It also helps reduce cravings, which can aid in managing food intake. This can lead to eating smaller portions at more frequent intervals. When combined with nettle, fennel supports natural appetite control. This combination can be particularly beneficial for weight management efforts. Fennel seed offers appetite control benefits when consumed properly. It is crucial to stick to the recommended dosage for fennel seed. Excessive consumption of fennel seed can lead to toxic effects. Moderation is essential for safely leveraging its benefits. Flaxseed is a rich source of both fiber and protein. It is effective for appetite control and digestive health. Flaxseed contains phytonutrients and vitamins. It promotes fullness and regularity by adding bulk to meals. Green tea is known for boosting metabolism. It helps increase fat burning. Green tea enhances energy levels. It contains caffeine-like compounds. It provides a gentle, energizing boost. Hawthornberry provides support to both the adrenal glands. It also supports the thyroid gland, contributing to overall endocrine health. Additionally, hawthornberry aids in easing digestive processes. Consult a doctor before use if you have thyroid issues or take related meds. Herbal remedies offer a natural path to fat loss. However, not all herbal options are universally safe or effective. Personalized research is crucial before using any herbal remedy. Consulting medical professionals ensures optimal results and minimizes potential risks. Herbs are most effective when integrated into a healthy lifestyle. A healthy diet is a critical component of a weight loss strategy. Regular exercise enhances the beneficial effects of herbs. Herbs are not a standalone solution for weight management. They should complement other healthy habits for optimal results. Herbs can be an effective part of a comprehensive approach. For best results, opt for fresh herbs whenever possible. Alternatively, choose high-quality dried botanical products. Natural, whole plant options are generally more effective. Whole plant herbs also tend to be safer for consumption. Avoid concentrated pills unless professionally advised. Be cautious of mystery blends with unknown ingredients. Herbal weight loss focuses on using natural herbs to support the body's processes. The approach emphasizes safe and effective herbal options for weight management. Certain herbs can aid weight loss by boosting metabolism. Other herbs may help control appetite and reduce cravings naturally. Some herbs support detoxification, which can indirectly assist in weight management. It's important to choose herbs with proven efficacy and safety profiles. Certain herbs can naturally enhance metabolic rate. Cayenne pepper is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. It contains capsaicin, which increases calorie burning. Green tea is another herb that supports metabolism. Its compounds aid in thermogenesis, promoting fat oxidation. Certain herbs can promote fat burning through various mechanisms. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which boosts metabolism. Capsaicin increases thermogenesis, leading to more calorie burn. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that aid fat loss. Catechins enhance fat oxidation and improve metabolic rate. These herbs can be incorporated into a balanced diet for weight management. Certain herbs can assist in appetite control by naturally influencing hunger signals. Fennel seed is one such herb, known for its ability to reduce food cravings. Fennel seeds contain compounds that may help suppress appetite and promote satiety. Flaxseed is another beneficial herb that aids in creating a feeling of fullness. The high fiber content in flaxseed expands in the stomach, contributing to appetite control. Natural detoxification involves supporting the body's inherent processes. Herbs like dandelion root can play a key role in this process. Dandelion root is known for its ability to support liver health. Alfalfa is another herb traditionally used for detoxification. These herbs may aid efficient fat metabolism. Plant-based diets can be effective for fat loss by emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains as the foundation of your diet. These foods are naturally lower in calories and higher in fiber, promoting satiety. Incorporating herbs can further support fat loss due to their potential metabolic benefits. A plant-based approach supports overall health and sustainable weight management. Holistic weight loss integrates multiple strategies for overall well-being. This approach combines herbal remedies with a balanced nutritional plan. Regular physical activity is essential for burning calories and improving fitness. Effective stress management techniques are crucial for hormonal balance and weight control. Liver detoxification is crucial for efficient fat metabolism in the body. A healthy liver ensures fats are processed and utilized effectively. Detoxification supports the liver's ability to break down fats. Herbs like dandelion root can aid in liver detoxification processes. Dandelion root promotes bile production, which is essential for fat digestion. Certain herbs can act as natural appetite suppressants, aiding in hunger control. Fennel seed is one such herb, traditionally used to reduce appetite. Fennel seeds contain fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness. Flaxseed is another example, known for its high fiber content. The fiber in flaxseed expands in the stomach, helping to manage hunger effectively. Natural weight loss can be supported by herbs when used safely and knowledgeably. Prioritize health and seek professional advice before starting any herbal regimen. Use herbs in their most natural forms to maximize their potential benefits. Herbal strategies should complement a balanced lifestyle for optimal results. Combine herbal remedies with diet and exercise for effective weight management.